Hey, everyone, how you doing? What's up?
ผมก็อย่างเงี้ยนั่งอยู่กับข้างราชการคุยกับสถาพรอยู่
To walking street. Really awesome, huh? Really nice and quiet. Hey, how you doing? Can you see me? I know there's like a mirror I can show you, but it's on my chest. It's a chest cam. This is war zone. I'm sorry I get used to walk fast. No people? Yeah, no one here. Yeah, walking street is now so quiet, chat. Can you see me? Camera. Ooh, kitty cat. Hello, how you doing? What's up? Kitty cat. Keep chilling. Just gonna walk past here. Okay. Keep eating. Continue. I'm going. Yeah. Eat your food. Bye. And you can see me here. I have no plan today, chat. I don't know if there gonna be any dog want to talk to me. Some of them don't like camera.
Yes. I heard baby gonna make like a room.
Ooh, nice car. But there's nothing happened. Once again. But I heard Bangkok is worse, so Pattaya is all good. Pattaya, at least we still have a beach and this area we can walk and chilling. Good time. Well, most of them are closed. Still some that open, chat. Well, as you can see here, close. It's 5 o'clock. Why it's still so hot? Sad. Oh, police. Good morning. anything going on. I'm sure it's there gonna be anything, but you know, let's check it out. Let's see what's up, chat. It's so hot. It's so hot, chat. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach later. Oh. I'm surprised. Yeah, chat. In Walking Street, I was gonna say that, like, you know, they're probably not gonna let us check it out, see the hotel. So I don't know, chat. Hey, what's up? What's going on? But that's like before the YouTuber and streamer everywhere, chat. Pattaya. Even there's like this. Yeah, just gonna walk a lot, I think. So this is like more comfortable. No plan today, chat, as always. House. This building is a hotel, but it's an abandoned hotel. Just, you know, they never finished building it. You can see the construction going on there. The small one. A lot of people here. Very nice. Very nice. Here we get money. Some people use it to buy alcohol. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Right? There's so many people today, chat. Across the street. It's gonna take forever. Oh, come on. Ah, finally. Such a beautiful sunny day. I don't know why it's racetrack. Hello. You making a video?
We're making live right now.
Live?
Yeah.
Live where?
Huh?
YouTube.
YouTube live?
YouTube. You can show. Because. Yeah.
And you?
I'm live on Twitch.
Twitch.
What is your YouTube channel?
I remember you. We see each other like 6 months ago on the beach road. You also do the live.
I don't remember. Still,
Yeah.
like a long time ago.
Huh?
Yes, maybe many months ago.
Many months ago.
Yeah. Okay, nice. How it's work? It's okay?
Just, there's nothing much to do here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's really quiet.
This they
Hello,
have
COVID.
every day, no?
Did I have
Give
every
food.
day?
They give food every day.
Every day? At what time? Like,
No.
oh,
Five.
yeah.
What language you broadcast?
I'm stream on Twitch,
You stream on Twitch, but what language?
English.
English, in English. Okay.
Yeah, what about you? You
We do in Russian.
Russian? Oh, okay.
Okay, good luck.
Okay, bye-bye. Nice day.
Nice day.
Okay.